In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can calculate total discount price in Microsoft Excel. For this, you can see that 100 is our regular price and discount price is 70. So let's calculate total discount. Just go to the cell and enter equal, then total discount price divided by our regular price, and it will give you an answer which is 0.7, and make it to percentage. Then you can see that total discount price is 70, but this is not the actual total discount. This is the price after giving discount, but this is not the total amount of discount. To calculate this, you just need to go to there and enter bracket and subtract it from my 1. Then you will see 30% is our total discount. This is the actual total discount. If you change it to 90, you can see the 10% is the discount. So this is how you can easily calculate total discount in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.